In 2024, several prominent cricketers announced their retirement from Test cricket, marking the end of illustrious careers. Here are brief overviews of 7 notable players who retired this year. England's leading wicket-taker, Anderson retired at 42 after a remarkable career spanning 188 Test matches, during which he claimed 704 wickets. Known for his exceptional swing bowling, he became the first fast bowler to reach 700 Test wickets. Post-retirement, Jimmy Anderson has taken up a mentoring role within the England team. The Indian off-spinner concluded his Test career with 537 wickets in 106 matches, ranking 7th on the all-time list. Ashwin, also a capable batsman with 6 Test centuries, announced his retirement during the series against Australia, expressing a desire to continue playing at club level and in IPL. The dynamic Australian opener retired from Test cricket after the New Year Test at Sydney against Pakistan. Wagner scored 26 Test centuries during his career and was known for his aggressive batting style. He plans to continue playing in limited over formats until 2024 T20I World Cup, and there he retired. South Africa's gritty opener and leader concluded his career after 86 Test matches, scoring 5,347 runs, including 14 centuries. Renowned for his resilience and leadership, Elgar captained South Africa in challenging times and was a dependable anchor at the top of the order. New Zealand's fast bowler retired from Test cricket after a 16-year career, finishing with 391 Test wickets, second only to Richard Hadlee in New Zealand history. Southee was renowned for his swing bowling and leadership, having served as Test captain since 2022. The all-rounder, one of Bangladesh's great cricketers, announced his retirement after a stellar Test career. He contributed 4,598 runs and took 231 wickets in 66 Test matches. Shakib Hasan's ability to perform in both departments made him a global star. The left-arm fast bowler, known for his relentless aggression and short-pitch bowling, retired after 64 Test matches with 258 wickets at an average of 27.53. Wagner's ability to bowl long, hostile spells played a crucial role in many New Zealand victories, including the 2021 ICC World Test Championship final.